Hi, I'm Omar and I'm a programmer. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a window on a Mac. Now, there's a little bit of a difference on how to cancel a window on a Mac versus PC. First of all, the proper term is to close a window. So I'm going to use that for the rest of the video. The way to close a window on the PC is to click the X button on the top right-hand corner. But on a Mac, this same X button appears on the top left-hand corner. It's also colored red, so you kind of have a sense that this is the button you would want to press to cancel or close the window. So I'll just show you an example right here. I have a picture opened up of a nice young lady, and in order to close this window, I'll bring my mouse to the top left-hand corner. And when I do that, these buttons turn into a plus, a minus, and an X. I want to click on the X button, and when I do that, the window automatically closes. I'm Omar, and I just showed you how to close a window or cancel a window on a Mac. Have a good day.